Alright, this is Mr. McKee for CTI 120 OW online version of Networking Security Foundation. I'm going to show you guys how to do lab 1.3.1.3, which is on week, or yeah, 1.3.2.3 on week 1. Alright, building a simple network. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, I opened it up in Word. Okay, and it shows the topology we're going to be using right here, but I'm going to set this up in Packet Tracer. You know, guys don't have to do it with the physical devices if you don't have them. Alright, so let me open up Packet Tracer, and if I go to start, I have Packet Tracer installed, so I'm going to type in Packet Tracer, which is right there. Open that up. Turned off. Alright, so I got Packet Tracer on, okay, and looking at this topology, it's got one switch and it's got two PCs. Alright, so I'm going to go down here. Alright, in devices have PCs. There's my generic PCs. Put these on the desktop. Alright, got those, and I'm going to do a switch. Right here under network devices. Oh, actually, these are our routers. Oh, there's my switches. And for what we're doing right here, it calls for a Cisco Catalyst 2960. Doesn't really matter right now, but let's go ahead and do that. Alright, put it up here. Alright, there's our three devices. Make this one PCA. Make this one PCB. Alright, switch S1. Alright, like that. Alright, so PCA is connected to the F06. Let's see. And we're going to be using the copper straight through cables. So if I click there and click on PCA, connect that to the fast Ethernet. It only has one network card installed, so fast Ethernet 0 is right there. And if you just have the mouse, it should be stuck to the cable. Click on the switch. Alright, fast Ethernet 06. Click that, and it automatically connects to it. Alright, if you got a little amber ball, you can hit fast forward. You're looking for two green balls, meaning it has a physical connection. Alright, so I'm going to do PCB. PCB is connected to F01. Alright, so click copper straight through. That's Ethernet again. Click up here. F01. Got an amber ball on the switch side. Fast forward. Alright, so we got everything connected. Alright, let's look down here. Set up network topology, Ethernet only. Identify cables and ports. We did that. Cable the physical lab topology. That's done. Enter static IP address information on the LAN interface of the hosts. Talking about the PCs, which is that this is all that info right there. Alright. So, and since we're using Packet Tracer, these are already turned on, but you can physically go into Packet Tracer and click on the PC and see how it's right there. If I were to click on, that's turned off, this is turned on. These are turned on by default anyways, so not a big deal. Those are all on. All these are, and same thing with the switch. You could actually turn the switch off if you wanted to. I believe there's a switch somewhere, but don't even worry about it though now. Everything should be on. Alright, fast forward it. Got all green. Balls, okay. Okay, power on devices. Got that. Actually, right there it says switch does not have a power switch. Alright. Alright, connect one in an Ethernet cable. We've done all this already. To the NIC port on PCA, did that. Connect the other end of the cable to F06 on S1. Alright, so all that's connected. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the NIC port on PCB. Connect the other end of the cable to F01 on S1. Already done. Alright. And on the physical, this is actually talking about a physical NIC cable. You actually get the light on the back of it, the amber light, and then it'll turn green. Alright, so physically inspect network connections. We're doing this virtually so we see that it's working. Alright, so to actually set up the static IP addresses on these PCs, I'm going to go up here, first PCA, click on that. And this is going to help you out when you take the networking classes, the Net 125, 126, and 225 and 226 through Cisco. Alright, click on the desktop. Alright, PC configuration is where you set up the IP configurations. We're looking for a static IP configuration, so that's what we got right now. Putting in 192.168.1.10. Tab down. Subnet mask is the default subnet mask that's already set. That's all we need right now, so we can actually leave this where it is. Don't need to save it. Just click out of it. X out of that. Let's do PCB, same thing. Hit desktop tab. It's already set to static IP. 1.1.11. Tab down, default subnet mask, that's fine. Alright, those are all set up. Let's tab down. Now this is showing you how to do it in Windows 10. We'll go through that too with some virtual machines later on, but for now let's just do it in Packet Tracer. Alright, and that shows you step by step how to do that. That's good. Alright, so from PCA we want to go into the command prompt and do an IP config all. So this is your command prompt. If I do IP config /all, that shows the IP address that I set up. And the subnet mask, it's got your link level IP version 6 address, and this, your physical address is your MAC address. Alright, right there. Okay, let's go down. Alright, so it has you pinging from 1.10 is the last 2 octets of PCA. It has you pinging PCB. Alright, so if I ping 192.168.1.11, alright, I'm getting the ICMP packet ping replies from 1.11 is the last 2 octets of the IP address for PCB. Alright. Were the ping results successful? Yes. Alright. In real life, if you didn't get a response and you physically had it set up correctly, more likely the firewall is blocking ICMP echo requests. Alright. So really that's it. Alright, I'm going to go here and go to PCB. I'm going to ping PCA from here. Alright, let's do the IP config all first, just to make sure everything's set up correctly. Alright, there's our IP address, there's our subnet mask. Alright, so I want to ping 192.168.1.10. Alright, so what you're looking at right here, you're getting 4 ICMP echo responses from the IP address that you're pinging, which is PCA in this case. Alright, it actually tells you right here ping statistics for 192.168.1.10. Packet sent 4, received 4. Lost 0. Alright, tells you how many milliseconds it took to do that. That was super fast, less than 1 millisecond, because it's in Packet Tracer. Alright, so all that's good to go. So really all I need for you guys to have to submit is this page, and if you have this right here. So if I did a control, actually let's do control print screen, go into Word. I want to be able to see your packet tracer topology and the one of your ping requests from the command line. All right, let's do this. Let's do Control V. Actually, let's cancel this out. I want to get rid of that. All right, let's try this again. Control print screen. Go into Word V. All right, that's what I want. Okay. Now all this other stuff on the desktop I don't need. So let's hit crop. Grab the handles. Move this stuff together. All right, hit enter. All right, so that right there is good to go. Make it a little bit bigger. All right, so that's what I want a picture of. I want to be able to see. Doesn't really matter which PCA or PCB. I just need to see the command line and see that you've actually got you've got good replies from the other IP address, which is the other PC. All right, that and your desktop setup. All right, and that's it. And then just go in here and you'll submit it right to the submission link. All right, it looks like one person's already submitted it. And if you guys turn it in late, it really doesn't matter because of the snow. I mean, I'll give you guys an extra week, but just try to get it in as soon as possible. All right, thanks for watching, and I'm going to go ahead and do a video for the other packet tracer as well. All right, thanks.